Hi, this is Kimberly Elizabeth, and I would like to welcome you back to Bookkeeping Journey. Today's video, is going to be different. So today's Monday's video is completely different. I had to give my presentation this morning for business owners in my virtual bookkeeping group. So I did an actual business owner bookkeeping checklist. So it's a bookkeeping business owner checklist, something like that. Anyhow, what I'm going to do is to show you what's in this checklist, and you will decide if you need it for your business. Even if you have a bookkeeping business, you can use this checklist to get your books in order. Let me take you into my computer screen and give you the sweet presentation, right? Hi everyone, so welcome to another one of my presentations, and I'm super excited to give you this checklist today because this is a bookkeeping checklist for business owners. And for this checklist, the first thing that I am going to talk about, and you will see these topics in the checklist, but some of them will be in more detail, telling you how to go through each process. Anyhow, let's go on. And the first thing I'm going to talk about is register your business. And when I say register your business, if you are in the USA, Canada, the UK, definitely get in contact with Wanda from Legal Shield to get your LLC done. And if you're not in those countries, go make sure that you register your business. That is very important. And that is something that you should have done when you are doing business, because you have to pay taxes for your business and you don't want to run yourself in any trouble there. All right. And the next thing is get a business bank account. Make sure, and I cannot stress this enough, if you are one of the people that definitely follow me, you watch my channel, you know that I stress we have to have a separate business bank account. It is an accounting rule. And choose an accounting software. So you're going to either use QuickBooks Online or Xero. The steps in this checklist will be based on QuickBooks Online, but granted, you can still use it as a guideline should you be using Xero. All right, so the actual checklist that you will have with all the details will be based on QuickBooks Online. But if you use Xero to do your bookkeeping, you can still use this checklist, but obviously not the step-by-step that I will have, as in to go here or go there in the checklist, but you can use it as a guideline to keep track of your books monthly. And like I said, QuickBooks Online is where I'll be going through today. And we're gonna talk about setting up your QuickBooks Online. So when you're setting up your QuickBooks Online, the first thing that you have to do is sign up, and you then have to log into QuickBooks Online. And then you're going to fill in your company information. Now I have this listed out in the checklist as well. All the steps will be there. And then you're going to connect your bank account. I also have this listed as well in the checklist, how you do that. Then the next thing you have to do is set up your taxes. Now, once you set up your taxes initially, what will happen at the quarter or the year, whichever time you decide to file your taxes, QuickBooks Online will already have everything compiled in a document for you that you can just download, and it makes it a lot easier. So that's why you want to do this at the beginning before you start doing any bookkeeping within QuickBooks or Xero. And then you're going to upload your company accounts. Now, when you upload your company accounts, this is called the chart of accounts. And it's basically, you're going to be able to go into QuickBooks, into the chart of accounts section where I direct you to go. And what you're going to see there, is when you click there's a button that you will have to click, and you can download a free sample and then just input any additional accounts that your company do use on day-to-day basis or every single month, right? So it doesn't have to always be day-to-day, but once you know that there's a certain account name that your company use, definitely make sure that that's in your company accounts, your chart of accounts, and then you follow the process, you upload it, and you just follow the steps. It's pretty easy. once you get in. Then you're going to do your monthly bookkeeping. So after you've done all the setup, you got everything in order now, you're going to do your monthly bookkeeping. And these steps you're going to follow every single month. Just make sure that you're staying in control of your finances. So you're going to record all your invoices, your purchases, your sales, your expenses, your bills. You're going to record all of those every single month, and make sure that you do these weekly, right? So that you don't have them stocking up and piling up, and then it feels like, ugh. I'm sure if you have a lot of transactions every single day, but maybe take out 1 hour, take out at least 1 hour, probably out of 2 days of the week to get that done. And if you do have time, like a half an hour in every day, take 17 minutes, like how I was doing 17 the other day, and basically take that time to do some recording and do some of your bookkeeping so it doesn't pile up on you. Then you're gonna make sure you update your books weekly, but I just covered that. And at the end of each month, you're gonna make sure that everything has been recorded. So you're going to go, this is the time now that you're going to make sure that you look at your bank statement, look at, obviously your bank is already going to be connected because you would have done that in the setup section. So you're going to make sure that you match your bank statement with what you have inside of your QuickBooks Online. So you're going to print your actual bank statement from your bank, or you connect your bank through QuickBooks Online. And then what you're going to do is go through and make sure that when you do go to do the bank reconciliation to close off your accounts, to bring them to zero, that everything comes to zero, right? And the reason why you do need your bank statement though is because when you're first going to do your bank reconciliation, I wish I go into a little bit depth of it inside of the checklist I gave you, you will definitely have to put in there's an amount on the bank statement that you have to put in, which is the closing amount. You have to make sure that you put that in for sure. All right, so that's it. So this checklist is free downloadable checklist. All the above points are in the checklist that I have created for you. And just click the link in the description to receive your free bookkeeping checklist in your email. And I do offer this as a one-time accounting software setup service. And so therefore, if you go through the checklist and it seems like too much for you and you're like, oh my God, I can't definitely do this, you can definitely reach out to me, reply to the email, and I can set that up. I can do all the setup for you and make sure that you are on track with your bookkeeping so that you can move forward. Even if you don't use me for the full time and you just want me to set you up, that is fine. You don't have to go on and use my services for the full time. I just want to make sure that you are ready to stay in control of your finances, because that's what I live for with my business. And if I can help you to stay in control of your finances, and that's one person, I have won. So thank you so much today, and I will see you on the outside of this video. So much for watching. Go download that link which is in the description of this video. Yes, do not hesitate, and feel free to reach out to me should you have any questions, because I really do appreciate all your comments. So make sure that you comment on the video. Let me know what you liked about the checklist, what you probably think that I should add it, or what I should have probably taken out. All your feedback is welcome. Put it in the comments below, because that really helps the channel. Share the video. That really does help as well, because it helps with views, and views bring subscribers. And I really love all your support, and I thank you guys that come back every single week, every single day, and watch my videos. Anyhow, that's it for me, and I will see you in tomorrow's live at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, Bookkeeping Journey out. Subscribe. Bye. That was so cool.